how's it going? It's your boy Josh, aka Josh Cashflow. Listen, I'm teaching you how to get to this stock bag money. Let's go. Listen, I did another video about how to do charting, okay, and we're gonna get into part 2 of that. If you haven't checked out the first video, you really need to watch it first. It's about 10 minutes. Check it out here, okay? Watch that video, or it's here. It's one of these two places, okay? But now I'm going to get into the ultra trick when merged together that gives me a killer trading strategy. The only EMA trading strategy you need to make money. Let's get into the charts. Okay, guys, this is about to get into this gem, guys. Oh my goodness. This took me so long to figure out, okay? Because I've trained over 3,000 students and my students are giving me feedback, and that's how I even came across this strategy. So, listen, Mamelo, if you're watching, shout out to you. But here's one thing I wanted to show you guys that I've learned. So, obviously, I have my charting, my low of days, my high of days. You guys need to add a very key moving average, okay? A moving average. Okay, and all you have to do is add studies and type in moving average exponential. Okay, and there it is. And you want to click it. We want 2 of them. Okay, the first one is the 9. Okay, and we want to make this orange. I usually like it orange. And this next one, I want to make that purple, and I make this the 50. Okay, the 50. Okay, and what I want you guys to notice, guys, is the 9 EMA and the 50, okay, act as guidelines for us to trade, okay? These are the 2 EMAs I use a lot. The 50 is the major one. When on the 5-minute chart, the stock action or price action is above the 50 moving average, I'm usually bullish for calls. When it's underneath the 50, I'm usually bearish, which means I'm getting puts because I'm an options trader. If you're a stock trader or Forex, above means that I'm taking trades that will make me money when the stock is going up, and below it I'm making trades where I'll make money when the stock is going down. Okay, but as an options trader, calls above the 50, puts below the 50. But super important, when you mix it with the high and low of day strategy, it becomes a killer. Look now, we opened today above pre-market high. Okay, we had a push up. I usually don't trade the first 5 to 15 minutes. So I wait for that. Okay, so this trade I wouldn't have taken. Maybe this bull flag I would have taken. But if you notice, guys, the 9 EMA, we broke through that and we came to retest this blue high of day. Okay, let's say you didn't catch this bounce off the high of day pre-market, of the pre-market high, sorry. We come down again and we test what? The 50. Guys, this is the perfect entry, okay? 2 things. Number 1, we're above pre-market highs. That's number 1. Number 2, we're above the 50 moving average. Okay, that's double confirmation that we're getting calls. Okay, and when I see this, guys, I can get calls and write it, and my profit target, guys, would either be the 9 EMA or the next high of day, which is up here at 160. And a lot of times, if you notice, we can even go back the day before. Sometimes we have a cross, the 9 over the 50. That's your entry for calls. Okay. If the 9 crosses below the 50, like we did here, puts, okay? So the 9 is a shorter moving average measured over 9 days, and the 50 is a longer moving average measured over 50 days, okay? And what a moving average is that it's a mathematical formula that takes the average price of a stock over 9 days if it's the 9 moving average, or over 50 days if it's the 50 moving average, or over 21 days if it's the 21 moving average, and makes it into a line so you can monitor trends, okay? So you've heard the term the trend is your friend. So if you notice here, guys, we're under the day before yesterday, we're underneath, the 9 was underneath the 50, which is a bearish sign, okay? And we were in puts, if you notice, all day until we came over here, guys. We bounced off this low of day, okay? And then the 9 and the 50 did what? They crossed upwards, okay? If you're getting calls in any of this area up here, or even if you're just taking the bull flag, this is a bull flag right here. And if you're just taking this bull flag over here, this would have been a great trade, getting 2 calls, and my profit target will be what? You heard it right. Close to 3-day market low. Are you guys seeing how these market lows, market highs are super important, and you take trades off of them? So when the 9 is over the 50 and stock price action is over the 50, I'm always bullish, okay? Usually bullish. When we're underneath the 50, I'm usually bearish. And we can see this happen over and over and over again. Look at 2 days ago. What happened? We started off even kill, so don't take any trade, okay? But then the 9 did what? The 9 crossed over the 50 to the what? Downside. And then the 9 EMA pretty much held what? Pretty much held price action underneath. So you could go and put anywhere underneath here and make profits. And my major profit target will be what? You got it right. 3-day market low. Are you guys starting to see what I'm doing here, guys? You don't need a super complicated setup, guys. These two moving averages and just marking market lows, market highs for at least 3 days are going to be game changer for you. Matter of fact, we can even go 4 days out, right? We could do market low this day. We could do market low this day. Right here, look at that. Market low. And we can make this green. Okay. From 4 days ago, guys. And market high from 4 days ago. And we can go all the way to 5 days just so we can have an idea where price action is moving. And I want you guys to notice something that's super, super key. These lows and highs act as support and resistance for previous days. Look at this, for example. This line was from 4 days ago. And look at where we hit resistance on 4 days ago. And then we had a gap up. So now we're trending bullish. So if I was getting to calls around here, my next profit target would be what? Exactly, 161, which is the high from about 2 days ago. Okay, so when you mix that, guys, with the 9 EMA and 50 EMA, which means that when we're underneath the 50, we're bearish, and when we're over the 50 on the 5-minute chart, we're bullish. It's an absolute game changer. Shh. Guys, keep this one to yourself. I only share this with my high-level mastermind students usually, and I'm giving you guys the game. So, if you've enjoyed this video, guys, so make sure you do 2 things. Like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to give you more gems on how you can make money through trading, ATMs, real estate, whatever it is. Everything I've done, I've been in trucking, guys. Almost everything that you could think of as a business owner, I've pretty much tried. And I'm going to share you guys all the tea and gems. Catch you on the next video. Josh out.